Hi, this is Michelle Charias from Highlands. This is a short video to show you how to use the speech-to-text functionality in Microsoft Word. This is for on the desktops. Okay, you'll see the document in front of you. This is not the full desktop app. This is the online version of the application. I've just opened a new document. I'm going to change the font size, and I recommend you do this when you're working with this. It's easier to see. And you just, right here on the home tab, right over here, it just says dictate. It's easy as can be. This is the application for speech to text in Word. So you can see it picked up my hum, okay? And you can just pause your dictation and add your punctuation or paragraphs. It's completely, it just continues to write whatever you have written, have stated. So you just, if you want to edit what you've written so far, you just stop the dictate and then go ahead and edit. Let's get rid of this. Okay, this application is in Word, and you can just model this for your students. You know, they don't have to type the whole thing. They don't have to dictate the whole thing at the same time. Up my hum. Okay, so again, it's as simple as that. You just wherever you put the cursor, that's where your words are going to go. So if you leave the cursor in the middle and you dictate, you're going to get new words in the middle of your sentence. So when you start to dictate again, just make sure, just like as if you're typing, make sure you put your cursor where you want the words to go. The words need to go where the cursor is. Okay. All right. So that's the desktop version, or excuse me, the online version of Word. In the desktop app, it really functions exactly the same. It just looks a little different. Is this opening? There we go. Sorry. Okay. So I'm going to open, and I'm going to change my font size again so we can see it. Okay. So it's still on the home screen. It just looks a little different. Then there's the voice. Here, there's more functionalities, right? You can put it in English, and then maybe it'll come up in French. Do I want to do that? Okay. So it's almost like the translate. So I don't know if language teachers want students to be using this functionality, but might work for English language learners. I'm not sure. Teachers have to decide if they want the kids to use these different functionalities, but let's try it. So I'm going to hit the dictate. I got my cursor where I want my words to go. I'm going to click dictate. The words will come out in the same language. So I'm not really sure why it has different languages. I guess you can say if I speak in French, what's going to happen? Je m'appelle Michelle Charias. Okay, so it doesn't know my name. Cette application n'est pas my name. Okay, so it will write in French if you need it to. But anyway, the dictation, sorry, my French is terrible. The dictation function, it's just right there on the home tab, and students can use that for creating documents. If they have the words in their head and they're really good, you know, auditory and speaking, but just typing those words and getting it organized on the page is a challenge for them. This might be a great way to get them through that really big assignment. They have a multi-paragraph essay or something. They can do one paragraph at a time, stop, edit, go ahead and say the next paragraph. Maybe they can read from their notes. Obviously, you know, it might be an issue with plagiarism, but as ever, you know, teachers are mindful of all those other things that students could just as easily do when they're typing something. Okay, so this is the application for speech to text in Microsoft Word, both the desktop app and the online version.